AC suffering a loss.
Ganda ng game plan nila Coach Olsen kahapon. Dating every shot Pero kasi coming off the best game that they played in a long while. Gusto ko yung sinabi ni Coach Sherson, hindi pwedeng San Beda lang tayo ganado kalaban. Kasi pagka-champion team, ganun i-expect mo laging best effort ng team. Pero kailangan lahat ng teams, ganun yung effort.
That's the challenge for good teams. Maintaining that level of play no matter the opponent.
Saka yun din yung challenge sa San Beda. Maglalaro kayo, buhos dapat kayo kasi best.
Xander Eustacio. Ito yung hinihintay ko, ibabad ni Coach Chico Manaba. This guy is 6'5", has that wide frame, muscular frame, and this guy hails from the Windy City, Coach Hammer, Chicago. Kaya siya hindi masyado ginagamit dahil late entry siya sa lineup ni Coach Chico, but definitely has the tools to be a solid player for the Chiefs.
He's an active body. No doubt. Nakikita natin that he likes to play defense. He knows kung nabibigyan ng chance. He's always in the middle of that scrum. Bata pa Bata rin pa So he gets a lot of reps. Pero again problema dito ng San Sebastian, how they're going to handle that ball screen defense. Pangatlong basket na yun off the ball screen. A different guy naman ngayon. Eustacio nakapapasok lang.
RJ got to the middle.
Rashford na naman.
Hernal.
Bravo.
There's a whistle.
Nakapit. 26. 11.
Holding foul on number 11, Raymart Escobedo.
Si Escobedo na tawagan. Unang foul ni Raymart. Nakinahayang si RJ dun kasi nasabi niya kay Coach, sorry, kinapos.
Pero nakikita mo ngayon yung value ng mga big guys na rollers. Kasi sinasabi nila hindi na raw ganun ka-evident yung epekto ng mga big guys. Nag-iba lang. Ngayon, pag humahard roll yung mga big guys, na-open na yung mga perimeter players. Siyempre, nag-evolve ang basketball. Pero laging may value yung mga big guys na hard roller.
Yun na yung tama ka. That's the value now they bring, especially in a perimeter-oriented game. For basketball right now. Okay. Let's turn you over courtside. Teka lang. So, Kamat will head to the line. Let's go courtside. Second report mula kay Christine San Agustin. Christine.
Move on, trabaho, and the rest will follow. Yan ang paalala ni Coach Chico Manabat sa Arellano Chiefs during the huddle, as he also reminded the team that they should not be taking the pressure that they're feeling for granted, because this is the only way that a young team like them can mature and grow. Alam niyo ba, Martin and Coach Hammer, all of these reminders stem from when the Chiefs admitted to be facing today with a really low morale. Yet even during the huddle, Coach Chico was heavy on uplifting reminders to help the team with their spirits and retain the energy that they are currently showing. Ayan muna ang kwento mula sa Arellano. All for now. Balik sa inyo.
Thank you, Christine. Well, for Arellano, this job is hard and it's difficult for Coach Chico kasi it's a very young team, very emotional. So yung highs and lows mo talaga extremes yan. As we see, former Stags. Nandito si Jesse Somoda, the big boy. Is this
Rin William Bing.
Yeah, nakatakip kasi ng kamay. Rin William Bing, former Stag as well, who spent, I think, just a season with San Sebastian. Ang mahirap dito sa Arellano, Coach Hammer, yun nga, you're coming off 4 straight losses. You got these young players who need to grow up quickly, that you need to uplift. Pagka-down kasi yung mga yan, down talaga.
Ako lagi nababalikan for experience. Experience ko na rin na nasa as we see this last basket by Rex Gabat. When we were in season 8, we had a 17-game losing streak coming off the amateur games na sinalian natin. And then starting the season on a 5-game losing streak. So 17 dikit-dikit. And we had Oji Minor coming in, Jerry Texon, Shaq Taganas. Yung huling basket sa loob ni Gabat. So kailangan naman, you just need to plug away. Season 81. Kasi we made, ang nangyari doon, season 80, we made the Final Four. Season 81, sunod-sunod yung talo. Kasi graduate yung mga seniors. So ganun talaga yun part of the process.
Yeah, that's right. At ito yung inaharap ngayon itong Arellano University. But they're showing potential.
May PSA eh.
Yeah. Nakulang pulls it down. By the way, San Sebastian, knocking on the door here in the second quarter. just down by 8. It was as many as 14 points earlier. Ito yung pull down ni Lawrence Capulong right in between two yellow shirts. Got sandwiched that time, but siya yung pinakamalaki yung katawan dun. Uy, sundot. That's Gabat on De Leon.
So again, babalikan ko yung sinabi ko nung simula na ito yung paano mo makokontrol ngayon, yung being active on pressuring the ball, being able to play pesky defense without fouling. Kasi yung Gabat na magkapatid, mahilig talagang sumundot. Actually, yung San Sebastian, mahilig sumundot na team.
Gabat bros. Sticky defenders. Tsaka physical.
Parang octopus eh.
Oh. Uy, Gabat. Oh, fell down. No whistle. Vinoya. Nowhere to go. Ball is stolen. Risho. Full handle. Nawala rin sa kanya yung bola. Helter Skelter. Back the other way we go. Tima. Ooh! Hard collision between Ongotan and Suiko.
Good play for the ball. Both players just going hard. Itong si Ongotan going to the ring. Suiko challenging it upstairs. Again, ang foul dito is the contact. No intent to hurt.
Yeah.
Dahil masama man yung landing nilang dalawa. It was a play for the ball. Good call by your referees.
Ito si Maliwat. Enters for the first time.
Teka
Para
lang,
sa San Sebastian.
Nire-review? I think that's a good regular foul.
Yeah.
Good regular foul. Kasi sumabay.
Right.
Sabay. Hindi naman yung landing yung tatawagan, yung contact.
Yeah. At saka, ganun yung naging itsura ng collision niya. Because it was a big against a small guy, a point guard. So talagang, kumbaga yung fall ni Ongotan.
Ang masama pa ngayon bagsak sa Suiko.
Si Suiko ba? Mataas talaga.
Kaya sa NC, hindi pipituhan pag medyo malabnaw ka umatake.
Yeah.
Kaya nga, lagi yung sinasabi ngayon, pinipreach ko sa mga younger kids, na pagka drive kayo, huwag kayong mag-expect na tatawagan ng foul.
Yeah.
So you have to finish that. Kahit hampasin kayo, kahit itackle kayo, you have to be able to finish that.
Yeah.
Para kung tutawag yung referee, it's an end-one play.
That's right.
Konting adjustment lang, kasi ganun din sa FIBA eh. Pag medyo malabnaw pa, na hindi nila tatawagan yung mga atake.
Gabat. Ooh! Denied by Capulong.
Again, good challenge by Lawrence Capulong. Ito yung atake going downhill. Ang sabay ni Suiko is going for the ball. Yun talaga. Nagkaroon ng contact sa katawan, yun yung foul. Hindi tatawagan yung landing. Kasi minsan, lalo na sa social media, pagka masama yung bagsak, yun yung gustong tawagan. Hindi po ganun yung vantage point ng ating mga officials. Good call by our referees.
So, Suiko will misfire. Para sa Arellano, Basti Valencia is back for them. San Sebastian, pumasok kanina itong si Amir Aguilar. Nico Aguilar.
Ito wildcard din tong Aguilar eh. High-end role player to. Maganda yung IQ niya pag naglalaro.
Imak. Nabiyayaan sa ilalim.
Parang si Ongotan nga yung 4 nila dito eh. Kaya kailangan pagka mga ka-match up mo ganyan, meron kang malaking guard na pa-box out sa kanya eh.
Again, there's a counter steal for Baste. Aguilar is on the move. Aguilar! No. Valencia taking it away from Risho. And here comes De Leon. The Chiefs are running again. The floater drops in for De Leon. And the lead is back up to 14, 40 to 26. Quick timeout. Pinawag dito ni Coach Arvin Bonleon.
Almost a steal. Actually, he completes the steal. Paeng Are. Bumitin sa ere. Paeng Are. Wow.
And one.
May deflection dito mula kay Are. Kondisyon na habol. Buhat bantay.
Hang time, no? Ang tagal sa ere. Hintay mo nang bumaba.
Welcome back to the coverage. We're still here in San Juan City. Ito si De Leon, no? Steady and handling the ball. Floating it up. Hold on. And putting it in. That extends Arellano's lead to 14 points. 40 to 26.
Saka hindi na pick and roll ngayon yung nagiging problema ng San Sebastian kasi hindi na pumupunta sa half-court sets. Itong Arellano, ginagawa na lang nila. They're forcing bad shots sa San Sebastian. They're forcing turnovers and then they run out.
Yeah.
Very basic basketball na they're forcing numbers kasi they're a transition scoring team.
San Sebastian has 7 turnovers in the first half. Arellano only has 3.
So naka-back-to-back ng katapat. Nakuha na ng mga NCAA yung bearings dito. Pag nakalaban San Sebastian, fight fire with fire. Tatakbuhan din namin kayo.
Sweetco from the top of the key. Pamatay sunog para sa San Sebastian.
Ito si Suico was part of the rotation last season. Maganda ang inilaro niya. Gained some weight. Gained some weight. So I think he needs to play himself into shape the next few weeks dahil he will be an integral part here.
Teka lang, may foul tayo. Kaya hindi natuloy yung play. How about this? The swing outside to Sweetco, who dropped it in.
On the last foul.
From deep. Yeah, this is Sweetco. Ian Sweetco. Matagal na sa lineup to ang San Sebastian. But you're right. Nagkalaman. Oo.
Basta nagkalaman.
Nagkalaman, yeah. Kailangan kami panggaan dito sa mga big men sa
kailangan mo maging malakas. Hindi ka dapat magdagdag ng weight dahil you can gain strength but still be at the same weight.
That's right.
Body composition if you go through it kasi nakikita natin there are a lot of lanky players that can deliver hits dahil lalo na pag nasa post ka, nasa rebounding ka. I mean, you can't sugarcoat it. You need to hit. You need to engage your opponents para on the rebounds, mag-set ka ng tone sa depensa. Hindi ka naman mananakit. Kasi physical yan eh. Ganyan talaga ang basketball eh.
Yeah.
I mean, Joshua Giab for one. He's not the tallest guy, but once he occupies space, mararamdaman mo.
Paingare, scoreless so far. Hasn't taken a shot, by the way. Itong si Paing. Sweetco got swarmed.
Foul talaga. Yung salubong sa braso eh. Nung pag-angat niya, alam niya eh,
number 1, Jay
itong Arellano, mahilig sumabay eh, pagka merong penetration. Ito, dalawa pa.
On the last foul.
Uy, may contention nga doon ah. Kasi ang contact is, body contact yung tinubagan.
Na meron naman.
Meron naman.
Meron.
It's either kay Kapulong na nasa likod. Okay, it's all time getting a foul. I-review lang nila kung sino yung foul.
Yung focus ng referee natin para siyang wizard. Or parang Dr. Strange.
Parang si Face, okay ka Perico. Kita mo,
Okay.
Ang layo na ng reference ko ha.
Para po sa mga nanonood.
Wizard.
Okay, marami naman nakagets. Yung mga nanonood, mga
kasi
alumni.
Sunday eh, yung mga alumni, yung mga nasa, mga team moms. Teka. May nag-message siya.
Lumit ng reference mo, okay ka Ferry ko eh.
Kasi nakita ko si Alex Dix na nagbubuhat ko isa. Kaya yun, okay ba?
Okay. Gulat lang ako.
Sunday, Roy.
Gulat lang ako, okay.
Hindi naman si Prinsipe K, hindi naman sumasayo. Classic eh.
Pinoy Classic.
Kasi rebound.
This reshot, nakuha. Aguilar sa ilalim.
Okay nga itong si Omar Aguilar eh, ngayong taon. Kasi Nico finally found his role. Kahit na hindi ganun kalaki yung minuto niya, pero pag napigyan mo ng minutes, he sets the tone physically.
Yeah.
He sets good screens and he knows his role. Ultimate heat check guy din to eh. Pag nagsabay sila. Tsaka deceptive eh. Kahit medyo stocky siya. Naghahanap ako ng adjective na sasabihin. Stocky siya.
Stocky, yeah. Perfect.
Stocky na guard. He can run. He can run with Are and Escobedo.
That's right.
Tapos pag naggabat tsaka Felibrico, yun yung ano nila eh, yung finishing five nila.
Yeah.
Either dun sa dalawang gabat.
Basti Valencia steps into the free throw line. Valencia in this game has 8 points already. It's a balanced attack for Arellano University. And they've put up 41 points here in the first half. Marami pa tayong lalaroin. Mintis lang yung pangalawa kay Valencia. Uy! Hindi, foul on Borromeo. So, bola ng San Sebastian. Foul situation natin. Well, that was the only Foul to give left for Arellano. Next one will put them in the penalty. Baste, nasa penalty na. Paeng. Paeng first shot. Paeng off the glass.
Good press break right there. Kanina nag-turnover si Ricio on the fast break. Ngayon, pagkasalo niya, nag-abang muna. Uy, ganda ng galaw. Sayang, hindi lang natapos.
Napunta kay De Leon. Capulong. That's the right play for Lawrence Capulong. Foul on Suico.
Off the press break, oh. Good backdoor by Are.
Number 25, Benzo Wico, his third
This guy
personal.
averages 20 a game for San Sebastian.
2 free throws for Lawrence
Type niya
Capulo.
parang mga Nate Robinson.
Yeah.
Mga guard na athletic, hindi takot. Kahit sino yun, makikipagtalo na kukuha ng rebound.
Yeah.
I mean, Nate Robinson, Washington Nate Robinson,
Ah.
college yung talagang siya yung focal point.
Kulang na lang yung leaping ability ni
Wala,
Nitro.
meron siyang leaping ability pero hindi lang ganun kataas.
Yeah.
Dumadunk din naman si Ari sa warm-ups, nakikita natin. Pero iba lang kasi. Genetics talaga yun. God-given yun.
Kay Nitro.
But this guy is very athletic too.
Yes. And he added some
Saka mas
muscle
maliit
as
si
well.
Ari di ba? It's around 5'6".
Yeah.
5'9" si Nate Robin.
Mas maliit si Maliwat. They go to Paingare. Just scored his first basket earlier.
Switch. Oh, hindi. Slideshow lang.
Difficult shot. Short. And the rebound is secured by Borromeo. Capulong is
Tamaan sa bodega
Yeah.
dun sa box out.
slow to get back.
So ito na naman, naantayin nila si Lawrence Capulong. Uy, bukas sa taas. Grabe.
Grabe, no?
Oh, number one rule, if you have a very good post-up player who's not a face-up scorer, don't swing it to him. Don't swing it
Dre Miller.
dun sa three-point area. Hinatak nyo na yung
And
pensa, antayin nyo na siyang bumaba.
CJ Libang
Kasi walang
coming in
makamatchup.
for the Chiefs.
Keep going to the well. Keep going to the well, get him to spots na gusto niya.
Komportable siya.
Especially pag nandoon siya sa may left block. Kasi ang pihit niya, pakanan, jump hook na yan. Easy yan sa kanya.
43-34. Are will attack the defense of Binoya. A little wild on the attempt.
Over
Fishing
the
expedition.
backboard.
So, Paingare still struggling here in the first half.
Tsaka yung mga guards nitong Arellano can hang with him
Oh,
and stay in front of him. Tapos yung mga big guys, since guards din, diba Binoya is listed at what, 6'4"? Kaya naman si Aguilar, nakakuha na agaw.
Take away, and Nico Aguilar forces the issue.
Smart player to si Nico Aguilar. Deceptive, very competitive.
Holding
Very
now, number
competitive.
10, Dre Miller.
Has good touch from the outside.
Pero tama ka, no? This
Here
season
we go.
talaga,
Kamay
parang
coming in for the
nahanapan na
Chiefs.
siya ng role
Oo.
nitong coaching staff.
Nagmamasquerade pa ngayon minsan 4.
Yeah.
Kaya dahil San Sebastian lacks a lot of size. I think they're the
Making a
smallest
foul
team.
warning on number
average
4,
height.
Paingare.
Yeah.
Leo Velasco coming in for
So
the
they have to
Golden
adjust.
Knights.
Ganun naman yan eh. Ang basketball naman, you play through your strengths. The first 2 games, nagulat yung
Two
NC.
free throws
Their
for
work rate was so
Amir
high
Aguilar.
and they were just attacking. And those 2 games, sa end game nila kinuha.
Oo, yeah.
I mean, could have been different if Letran and LPU were able to finish the game properly. As we see Nico Aguilar make free throws.
That's true.
Kasi sila, hindi naman sila humihinto.
Ah.
Dire-diretso sila. Even San Beda, nginat-ngat nila hanggang dulo. Naibaba nila yung lamang to 10 points. To 3 points pa nga. Free throw shooting contest hanggang naiangat ulit ng San Beda.
First game na talagang bumitaw sila at hindi na nakahabol, yung against JRU, ano? So,
Ang sugal mo kasi, pag ganito yung pace mo maglaro, paano mo isusustain ng buong season?
Valencia underneath.
Basti Valencia.
It's back to a 9-point lead for the Chiefs. Nico Aguilar sends it out. Are, lalapit. Floater is good for Paeng.
Good shot by Paeng Are. Reading the defense. Ito, kumakatok na. Pababa na ng pababa to.
And Sebastian chipping away. His lead was as big as 14 earlier for Arellano. Vivinoya scans. Borromeo. No, and here comes Paeng Are. Are. May tama ng bola. Aguilar has it now. A lot of time here for San Sebastian. Aguilar, nakawala on the cross. Aguilar, up and in. He cuts the lead down to 5. Coach Chico has seen enough. He calls a timeout.
Court pressure, which kilalang kilala talaga tong team na to dyan sa ganyang depensa. Ryan Sahonia, his first shot as a Sunbetter Red Lion in the NCAA. The best shooting three-point team in the NCAA. Sahonia, baseline drive. Sahonia, short. Sahonia! Wow! Parang napanood ko.
Umiinit na ang ating laban dito, pero chill muna tayo. We got the cutie cam right here. Students from San Sebastian. Siyempre, dito yung mga cuties natin. Cuties! From Arellano naman. Number 1 fan ni Mavi Vinoya. Oh, diba? Go number 14. Maverick Vinoya. Ito, Arellano din to. Naka-blue. Ang daming fans ni Vinoya. Grabe naman si Vinoya.
Very good. Very good yan.
The birth of a superstar.
Oo. Ganda rin kasi nung nilalaro niya ngayong taon. Stable and given opportunities, growing pains. Diba? Yung mga ilang talo nila, nandoon siya, nag-turnover na overtime. Pero kasi kasama yan sa pagiging player eh. Diba? Kausap mga si Dre Miller at si Kuya Willie na pinanood pa nila yung game before niya para makita ano yung mga adjustments. Sama yan eh. Uy!
Ongotan.
Sharp eyes, where our officials nakita, hinatak dun sa pagpihit.
Holding foul on number 4, Baeng Are, penalty. First foul on Baeng Are.
Pero huling-huli. Parang mga cutie sa cutie kami yung galaw na yun. Huli yung hatak.
May hatak na, tapos may sumalubong pa na Aguilar na pumupwesto. So, Team Ongotan will head to the free throw line. This guy plays bigger than his size.
Kasi pag hindi siya binax out, ka-crash boards talaga siya. Wala pa ako nakitang team na binax out to si Ongotan. Kasi ina-expect nila na magsisettle siya sa labas. Yung talagang i-headhunt na throughout the whole game. Kasi doon siya nakakakuha ng puntos. He crashes the boards, he gets 50-50 balls, at saka tumatakbo sa transition.
Yeah.
Yan ang mga puntos si Ongotan. And he's one of their leading scorers.
Yeah. Sanay siya doon eh. Talaga yung laro niya. Aguilar, the drop-off. This is a foul. Both teams in the penalty already. So free throws coming up for Nico Aguilar, who has shown us the control here in the second quarter. Dahil pagpasok niya, talaga nag-iba yung takbo nito sa San Sebastian.
Ito makikita mo kasi with the NCAA kung saan nanggagaling yung mga... Again, yun yung stress ko yung points of attack. Ano yung mga teams? Kunwari, ito, San Sebastian. Pag tinignan mo, okay, manggagaling yung mga puntos nito sa transition, saka shot creation ni Are, pick and roll kay Are, tsaka kay Escobido. Arellano naman, Kapulong will go high-low. Vinoya will create from elbows, tsaka sa wings. Ongotan will crash boards. Doon ang gagaling yung mga puntos nila. So when you're a coach, nakikita mo na sa scouting report na, okay, ito yung mga kailangan natin tanggalin para mas maganda yung chances nating manalo.
Yeah. At yung, yun naman ang game plan ng parehong coaches natin dito.
Sabi nila eh, men are creatures of habit eh. Lalo na yung mga young men. Kasi pino-formulate pa nila yung mga problem-solving skills nila sa basketball.
That's right. Paking. Ito nang hanap. Velasco, 20 lang. And Hernal gets it. Hernal, tumatakbo. Here comes Tima. Amay on the finish.
Again, busting out in transition.
Ito mo yung Paeng Are. Did not have the numbers, coach, but he was ahead. Attack the defense in transition. Ito yung basket ni Yuan Kamay. Ganda ng pasahan ng Arellano University. Pero si Paeng Are sa kabila, kumuha ng foul. Ern J is back in the game. This is a fun first half so far.
Yeah. Up and down, a lot of possessions, a lot of fouls dahil binanggit nga natin itong dalawang team na to. Likes to swipe at the ball, likes to challenge shots. So ano bang free throw count natin ngayon?
Natin ang free throw.
Squads.
So far, San Sebastian, this is their 10th.
Free throw.
Ano, 11 na.
11. Pag 12 to.
Arellano.
27 free throw attempts na tayo agad sa first half pa lang. So, goes to show that both, kasi itong dalawang team na to panay attackers.
Yeah. Diba, mabilis yung laro.
Yep.
Pero, bumabagal din dahil sa foul situation.
Napapataas yung scoring natin.
Yeah. T-Mac misfires. Rebound goes to Ernjay. Another chance for the Chiefs. Vinoya handles. Vinoya nowhere to go. Here's Kamay. Ipinilit. Malakas. Velasco is down.
Sa pull sa bibig si Velasco. Doon sa huling galaw ni Kamay. Hilo siya doon. Kasi pasabit yung galaw eh. So tingnan natin Tingnan natin kung ano yung... Dahil yung pag-rip ni Kamay, yung angat papunta sa... Yung balikat papunta sa challenge. Si Velasco close out din. Tingnan natin. Hindi naman sadya. It's a basketball move. Pasabit. Pagka larong labas, nasa ligang loob tayo ngayon. So, titingnan natin.
Ligang loob?
Ligang loob. Di ba? Ligang loob. Naka-aircon pa eh. Larong loob, larong labas. Alam mo, yun ako nakuha yan. Kailan Marvin Hayes yan.
Okay.
Pag naglalaro kami ng pick-up.
Yun na.
Pero panay ligang labas ka eh. Kasi ikaw, sanay ka sa ligang loob. May aircon eh. Hindi na nga ako naglalaro eh. Sila Marvin, pagkakakwentuhan. Sarap kakwentuhan ng mga yan eh.
Ligang loob. Okay. So, Coach, hindi nila tinawagan yon, pero chinecheck nila kung
pwedeng
may...
retroactive.
Retroactive kung may violent
pero
motion.
Kasi pasabit yun eh. Si Velasco, ang talon niya papunta dun sa tao eh. So that's an offensive foul. After the fact, ito kasi on the rip. Ito.
There was an offensive foul on number 9,
papunta sa mukha. Could have been an unsportsmanlike foul dahil pa-atake.
Sakit na.
Sakit sa laro yun.
Solid yun.
Kaya lahat ng player ko kinasasot ko ng mouthpiece.
Yeah.
Iwas concussion. Pero di naman nila sinusot. Ayaw naman maniwala eh. Di ba kasi sila tamaan?
Nangyayari yan.
Nangyayari yan.
Escobedo.
Baga, iwas pusoy ka na lang. 10 days yan pag nakontas ka eh. Yun lang, nabitin.
Escobedo missing from point blank.
7-second 6-second differential.
Ito lang Arellano. May chance ang tagdagan ng kanilang abante bago tayo matapos sa ating first half. Hernal, thought about it. He will dance. He will drive. Hernal underneath. That's a good strong drive by Hernal. Here's Paeng. No go. And that's how we will end the first 2 quarters of this game between Arellano and San Sebastian. 8-point lead for the Chiefs. When we return, we'll tell you the story of the first 2 quarters through our highlights and numbers and performances of our cheerleading squads. Lahat po yan sa pagbalik natin